How to view WhatsApp statuses secretly on Android. This tutorial shows you how to turn off read receipts so people can't see that you viewed their status. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. From there, tap the three dots at the top right of the screen. After that, tap Settings from the menu. At this point, scroll down and tap Privacy. From here, scroll down and find the Read Receipts toggle and turn it off. Following this, once that's disabled, you can view anyone's status without your name ever showing up in their Viewed By list. After that, this works because WhatsApp status views are tied to read receipts. Turning them off hides you automatically, even if you watch someone's status all the way through. Finally, keep in mind that turning off read receipts also means the double blue ticks won't appear when people read your messages, and you won't be able to see when others have read yours either. That's how you view WhatsApp statuses secretly on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch the next one. See you then.